Okay, quick question. What if one video model could take text, images, video clips, and audio all at the same time? Yeah, that's Seedance 2.0. And honestly, nothing else does this. And the price? A 10-second 720p clip runs 1.25 through Kie.ai. That's cheaper than Sora 2, cheaper than Veo 3.1. Let's get into it. ByteDance dropped this thing in February 2026. No big marketing push, just quietly moved the whole video generation frontier forward. So, here's the thing. Most video models take one input shape. Runway wants a prompt and an image. Veo, same deal. Sora mostly just takes a prompt. Seedance takes all four at once. Real example, you upload a phone clip of your dog, a photo from 2 years ago, a snippet of their bark, and write, quote, "My dog runs through a snowy alpine village, golden hour." Seedance renders the whole thing. The dog looks right, moves right, barks at the right moment. Small catch though, ByteDance's own web interface is locked to China. International access means third-party platforms. Replicate, FAL, Kie.ai. We use Kie. More on why in a sec. After a week of real usage, 6 features matter. Everything else is details. First, multimodal input. Up to 9 reference images, 3 videos, 3 audio clips, plus the prompt, and you can name them in the prompt, like follow the camera path of ref video 1. Apply the lighting from ref image 3. Super clean. Second, native audio. Set generate audio to true, and you get dialogue that matches the mouth, footsteps that hit when feet hit the ground, music that follows the emotion. No separate TTS pass, no lip sync tool, one render. Third, and this is the big one, multi-shot consistency. You write 10 shots in one prompt, and the character's face, clothes, voice, they all stay locked. This used to be the nightmare, regenerating every single shot against a reference. Not anymore. Fourth, duration, 4 to 15 seconds, just pass an integer. 6 seconds for a reel, 8 to 12 for cinematic, 15 if you want a full multi-shot sequence. Easy. Fifth, reference-driven workflow. Want a specific orbit or a whip pan? Upload a 4-second clip of that move. Could be a YouTube rip, a phone recording, whatever. Seedance copies the motion. Show, don't tell. Sixth, physics. Objects finally have weight. A falling knife falls like a knife. A ball on grass stops faster than a ball on concrete. The floaty, glidey, teleport thing, largely gone. Okay, so why Kie.ai specifically? 3 reasons: unified API shape, predictable pricing in US dollars, and one key gives you Seedance, Veo 3.1, Suno, Midjourney, all of it. If you're already running Veo or Suno through Kie, Seedance is a drop-in, same createTask endpoint, same bearer auth, same polling shape, and there's a playground to test before wiring anything up. 3 prompt patterns. That's what produces 9 out of 10 of the clips we shipped this week. Here they are. Recipe 1. The bullet time freeze. A goalkeeper dives to block a shot, frozen at the apex. Camera orbits 180 counterclockwise. Stadium floodlights, wet turf. 3 seconds of frozen orbit. Then time resumes. Works every time. Recipe 2. The multi-shot sequence. Number each shot, 1 per line. Name the character once, then reuse that handle every single line. Shot type, action, camera, lighting. That's the structure the model rewards. Recipe 3. The reference-driven VFX shot. Upload a clip of the move you want, then describe a totally different scene. Seedance copies the motion, applies it to your subject. We use this one most for product shots. Quick trick. Take a prompt that works. Paste it into Claude or ChatGPT. Ask for a variation with just the setting changed. The structure is what the model rewards. Words inside are replaceable. API walkthrough. 2 endpoints. That's it. Post to createTask. Pull record info until state equals success. Pull the URL. Download the MP4. Done. The request body is dead simple. Model is ByteDance/Seedance2. Then your prompt, your reference arrays. Generate audio true or false. Resolution, aspect ratio, duration in seconds. Response hands you a task ID. Standard mode wraps in about 5 minutes. Fast in about 4. When state hits success, parse result JSON, grab the first URL from result URLs, download. 40 lines of Python and you've got a working client. Pricing has a quirk. 2 price points per resolution. With a video reference, it's cheaper. Without, more expensive. Why? Kie counts input and output separately in reference mode. The model does less work from scratch. Real numbers. A 6-second Instagram reel at 720p with a reference, 75 cents. 10-second YouTube short at 1080p, no reference, $5.10. 15-second multi-shot story at 720p with reference, $1.88. Here's the workflow we use. Prototype in fast at 480p, under 50 cents a clip. Burn through variations until the shot is right. Then final pass in standard at 720p. That's the sweet spot. 1080p only when a client demands it. 3 frontier models, not interchangeable. Seedance wins on multi-shot, multimodal input and cost per second at 720p. Sora 2 wins on long single shots, up to 20 seconds, and photoreal faces. Veo 3.1 wins on physical realism and atmosphere. Simple routing. Seedance is the default. Reach for Sora when you need one long continuous shot. Reach for Veo when the client wants heavy weather, rain, fog, physics-heavy scenes. That's the whole decision tree. Bottom line, Kie gives you 5,000 free credits on sign-up. That's dozens of test clips. Grab the credits, burn through them on the 3 recipes, decide if Seedance fits your pipeline. That's it. Quick plug, if you're shipping video at this pace, check out Content Creator OS. It's the full Claude code system we use for scripting, prompting, and pipeline stuff. Link in the description. Full write-up is on popularitools.ai. If this helped, subscribe. We're testing a new tool every week.